Nigeria is a nation of multiple culture and tradition. There have been predictions that some of our languages will soon go on extinction. How far from the truth are they? Let's find out. Can you tell us 1 to 10 in Yoruba?
Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá.
Ɗaya, biyu, uku, hudu, biyar, shida, bakwai, takwas, tara, goma.
Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá.
I don't know. I don't really know.
1, 2, 3, Onin, Iyal, Irar. Og is 4, 5 is Odin, 6 is Inya. That's as far as I can go.
Ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá.
What about Sunday?
Sunday, ọjọ́ ìsinmi.
Mbọ̀sọ́kà.
Ọjọ́ ìsinmi. Sunday Ladi.
Ọjọ́ ìsinmi.
Ọjọ́ ìsinmi ọ̀sẹ̀.
Sunday. Sunday is Sunday.
What about January?
Oṣù àkọ́kọ́.
What time be you?
Always is it.
You know, January.
No, I told you now I'm not really deep in Yoruba, but I told you oṣù àkọ́kọ́ tá máa mú nínú ọdún òun ni January.
Do you know rabbit, sir?
Eworo. Rabbit. Pera.
Eku.
Eyi.
Òkété.
Aswog. Something like that.
Ehoro.
Which program did you like watching when you were growing up?
Taste by Moonlight. Papa just go now.
You know Chief Sisi Ono. Oh no, Onoko. Oh no, no, Onoko. Oh no, Onoko. Oh no, Onoko. Oh no.
When I was childhood, I was the test bamboo like ere as in Yoruba.
What's your favorite childhood game like?
Jangrover. Ekpomoto. Kí ló sọ yìí?
Mommy and daddy now.
Daddy and mommy.
Do you know Atiliogu?
How did they do it?
Hey!
It's boju now. It's boju. They do boxing. They do wrestling.
Ta ló wà nú ọgbà náà ọmọ kékeré kan ni ṣé wá wò má wá wò.
How do you do it?
Èmi ni bàbá, this is my child, that's my son.
Okay, sir.
You hide somewhere now, then there will be somebody that will be seeking you.
Can you give me a proverb in Yoruba?
Àìrìnjìnà làrábókè ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. Tí wọ́n bá rìn jìnnà wá tó bá dé sàlẹ̀ omi wà rẹ́jà tó yarọ.
Ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀, àmẹ́ tó fẹ́ ni.
Àgbà tí ìbínú lọmọ ń pọ̀ sí.
Ibi tí ọmọdé bá garùn sí tó garùn ibẹ̀ ni àgbàlagbà máa jókòó sí tó máa rí nǹkan tí ọmọdé yẹn wá lọ.
Onye amara ebe ndị wee nye ozu na-esi n'ọkpa abụọ ya bụ ini.
Àrò méjì ò kí ń dọ̀bẹ̀ náà, àrò mẹ́ta ò kí ń dọ̀bẹ̀ náà so.
What's the meaning?
That is an adult that doesn't get angry easily will attract more youth to model. I can say you only know to where you are. Like what is happening around you is what you know. You don't know what is happening in another person's land or.
Where a kid will sit down and be longing his neck, a elderly woman, a elderly mother will sit down without standing up. You will see what that baby is looking for.
The people we love, we know. We don't know who loves yours.
I don't know.
A situation whereby we are discussing now. In a discussion, you just jump into the matter. Well, you don't know where the matter started. You will go and miss of it.
I'm Olorun to Dapo. Keep watching Kaptv.
Keep watching Kaptv.
Keep watching Kaptv.
Keep watching Kaptv.
Keep watching Kaptv. Keep on watching Kaptv.